Messi has been used by the organizers for self-seeking monetary benefit for them. Football has been made into a commodity for the private gains of certain people. Who is responsible for this payment? Will the organizer please raise his hand? And secondly, where are the police? Yesterday, I had anticipated certain things here based on certain information which was received from the common man who called me. Then, instructions were given to government to take certain preventive steps. None of the steps seem to have been taken in this respect. Square issues clearly drawn. Order a judicial inquiry into the incident.